Okay guys, Ron here. So the case finally came for that motherboard we were working on yesterday, and SSD and a 3 terabyte hard drive, and then we have that motherboard from yesterday. So got the motherboard and a couple of power supplies I had laying around under there somewhere. A couple of decent power supplies. LED fans and stuff. So this particular View 27 is the white one, and the white one comes with 4 LED fans pre-installed. So I figured it was a good deal. Anyway, it's a good case. Good. It's got the panorama gull-wing door window. So we'll get this thing going and start putting it together. All right, guys, out for now. Okay, guys, Ron here. Here's Thermaltake 27, View 27. Looks like a nice set. It's got 1 fan in the back, 3 in the front already installed, with white neon, neon on them, or LED. So we'll see. All right, so we'll get her started. We'll get her opened up, get the motherboard and power supply in there, and go from there. All right, out for now. Okay, guys, we got the glass door off, the gull-wing plexiglass and the back cover. Here she is. Got an SSD extra drive, the space there. It's got 2 drives down there. It's got a covered power supply port, and also, because this side has the covered power supply, it's got a door there in case you want to add a cooler. You can open that door and get a full-length cooler. And it's got the 1 LED fan back here. It's got 3 up here already installed, and that's the PC board. You can use the flexible cable and mount it horizontally instead of vertically, so you can see it through the glass window. Alright, I'm going to get to work and see what we got here, and check back with you guys later. 2 disk drive bays, slide outs. I got a 3 terabyte and I got the 1 SSD. We're going to use those for now. And you guys got to remember, with these PCs, you should get a UPS supply. A good surge protected UPS uninterruptible power supply. So if you get a power outage, it just switches over automatically. Gives you time to either keep running or shut it down. Alright, we'll be back. Just a quick update. I'm not even going to turn off the fans. This power supply is in. 1 3 terabyte hard disk drive, HDD's in there. 2.5's in there. And motherboard's in. Gotta work on the rest. It's fun. It's too hot. Pain in the ear. Alright guys, I'll be back. Hey guys, a little while later. Definitely making some progress. Starting to neaten up the wires a little bit. Got that flat cabling for the graphics card. Do some cable management, and I'll be ready to give this a smoke test in about an hour. I don't even know what time it is. Alright guys, making progress. Out for now. Hey guys, Ron here. Just about ready for a smoke test. So we're going to do that in a few minutes. Smoky test. So I'll be back. Okay guys. Hey guys, Ron here, about 5 o'clock in the morning, and this is where we're at so far. Basically everything's done. I got a lot of cable management to do, and had some troubleshooting. I was having trouble with one of the RAM sticks, but I got that worked out. So there's the BIOS. Time, temperature, CPU temperature, boot order. I had some problems. I had to switch a RAM out, and the socket wasn't good, but I got it done. And it's been quite an adventure, let me tell you. So, it's a crazy looking case. And we got the pulsating Viking Star Trek melts. Change color. Ruby ring. 3 fans in the front, white LEDs, 1 fan in the back, white LED, one on the power supply, and did nice work. But anybody working on computers will tell you, you lose nights and nights and nights. It's always night work. Anyway, so phase 1 is done. I gotta tighten up these cables, do some more detail work, and then I'm adding a few more things to it, and then load Windows. Yes, sir. That's the problem with making this stuff. It's messy. Alright guys, it's been fun. I'm gonna get some sleep one of these years. I didn't use this other board. I'm gonna put that in the other computer, see how it does. Although it's running so well without it. Yeah, troubleshooting's a pain, but I got it done. Alright guys, talk to you later. Happy flying. Hey guys, Ron here. So this is my temporary test setup, just for troubleshooting and testing. This was a particularly difficult build because of one reason. I did this all one-handed. I'm left-handed and I had to do this all right-handed with one hand. I told you guys earlier in an old video that I had a motorcycle accident and was totally paralyzed for 8 months. So I'm back and I'm recuperating. But my left shoulder, they had to do some dislocating, relocating, some surgery, and some other stuff. So it's been out of commission for about a month. So I figured, what the hell? It's a good challenge. Did this whole build one-handed. One-handed. Very good challenge. A lot of fun. Anyway, got her up and running. Checking the BIOS, keeping an eye on the temperature, staying really cool. Gonna load Windows when I get a chance. And that's that. This is just a weird, conglomeration to put together a video. But we got 3 terabyte hard drive. We got a 120 gig SSD for booting. We got the 1050 graphics card. Didn't want to go for the big bucks. Got 16 gig of RAM. RYZEN5 1600 and Asus B350 full-size motherboard. From there I'll expand it out and keep going. Alright guys, thanks for being patient, hang in there, work on your projects and ideas. We'll be flying in the next few days. Oh yeah, flying is hard with one hand, but I got it down to a science. It's cool. Even non-GPS drones, non-stabilized drones, I can use the thumb on the left, on my right hand I can use my thumb on the left stick and my first forefinger on the right stick, and I can frickin' handle that thing like a two-handed genius. Just temporary. Alright guys, happy, see you later, out for now.